Nissan, the first ever.
Keep calm, you got this. Remember to have fun with it too, have fun.
Beauty shredder's on!
Keep it tight, keep it tight.
Wow, what a takeoff!
That was just a quick teaser of the show Hyperdrive, which I was lucky enough to be a part of. It comes out tomorrow, the 21st of August on Netflix. I'm so excited to get to share this journey with you guys. We're gonna do a watch party on the YouTube channel. I'm gonna have some friends over and we're gonna hang out on the couch and set up the laptop and we're gonna be able to live stream with you. So I would love it if you guys could join me. You know, I can see your comments, we can react together. And if you're not able to make that, then I still wanna see what your reaction is. So please, when you watch it, at least for the first episode, set a camera up in front of you. It can be your cell phone, it can be a GoPro, laptop, doesn't matter. But just film yourself watching the show. And I really want to put together a great reaction compilation from the show. I can't wait to share this with you guys. It's gonna be the coolest thing ever. And let me know what you think about it, good or bad. This is just the beginning of a lot of cool things to come.
28 off-the-grid racers. This is like the Fast and the Furious.
If fitness ninjas raced cars, they do it like this. Hyperdrive is a new competition show from Netflix that pits drivers against an obstacle-filled circuit that looks more like virtual reality than a reality show.
This is like the Super Bowl of driving a drift car through a course that is something like you've never seen.
From drifting and spinning to rallying and drag racing, the competitors come from a variety of backgrounds and around the world. There's no prize money at stake, just bragging rights, but that's good enough for them.
You're a pizza delivery guy?
So that's one of the jobs, yeah. So I've got 4 jobs and just trying to make it all work. You've got to do whatever it takes to pretty much get to the track and make that paycheck count.
The cars are just as different as the drivers, from a Toyota-powered BMW to a super-powered Mazda and a street-legal Nissan that may seem like bringing a knife to a gunfight, but sometimes a knife's exactly what you need.
Raw driving talent. You don't need to have a crazy drift car. You can kind of bring a stock car that has the basic ability from the manufacturer, and if you take your driving skill to the track with that car, you can succeed.
In honestly any racing sport, reliability is always an advantage. The more you can rely on your car to not break on you, the better it always is.
Some of the heavily modified vehicles had trouble just making it through the water hazard and required extensive and expensive repairs between runs that the racers had to pay for themselves. But by design, no one escaped unscathed.
There were a lot of new challenges that I'd never experienced ever in my drifting career, my racing career, that Hyperdrive threw at us. I'd never done precision target practice before Hyperdrive, and so that was definitely like, oh crap, like now I gotta intentionally try to hit stuff and hit stuff perfectly.
Could you do this on a full-time basis, or is it just too much?
I could 100% do this.
The full season of Hyperdrive hits Netflix August 21st. At Raceway Park in Englishtown, New Jersey, Gary Gastelou, Fox News.